Talo guys, welcome back to another episode here on the channel. Another midweek episode. Anyway, special fatalo to our Ainga members. Hope everyone is doing well. We're just at the cattle farm. Got off work not too long ago, so we're just coming to pour the water for the cows. Looks like it was raining, so I'm pretty sure the cows aren't thirsty at the moment because obviously it was raining. But we'll just pour some water as well. We'll be cooking today. So today was payday, and I wanted to make a little episode that every now and then it's nice to enjoy your pay, you know. Sometimes you get so caught up with the bills and everything, you always forget to enjoy your pay a little bit. So we're gonna enjoy my pay today, and we're gonna make a mamoe. All right, so we're just gonna grab some taro here as well, do a faalifu, maybe there's some rice for the kids. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys soon. Also guys, great news, we've got the cow back. It's miraculously appeared back inside the cattle fence, which means that there is a hole in the cattle fence. Show you guys there. We came yesterday, was it? No, the day before yesterday. And we found the cow here. So we're gonna have to come back Saturday and then actually walk around, do a proper look and scan on the fence to see where he went out. But it's good to have him back on. The cows are not coming, as you guys can see there. As I mentioned, it did rain. We came and the road was very wet, so that's why they're not coming. You'll see the puddle of water there, which shows that it was raining. So it's okay. We'll pour the water so that tomorrow, when it's actually hot again, they'll be like, oh, I'm so thirsty, wish we listened. But anyway, look at that. I saw this while I was recording. Just what we need for the supo mamoe. Remember guys, always to enjoy. Every now and then you get so caught up with paying bills and so many things, looking after the family, that you don't get to enjoy your pay. Enjoy your pay every now and then, you know, but don't enjoy it too much. I like it. Also wanted to mention, my son and I came yesterday to castrate the bulls, because that's one of the reasons why these bulls are quite, wild, but also kaka'a, is because we haven't castrated them. So castrating is, I try to keep this a family channel, but eventually you sometimes say non-family thing, but it's okay. Castrating is basically removing the nuggets, okay? So we have to try and remove the nuggets from the bulls so that they don't get all wild and stuff, because that's the reason why sometimes they leave the cattle farm, is because they want to go breed with other cattle. I saw one of the comments from my cracked up, because that's exactly what happened. So if you guys see the footage there, we came and tried to castrate the bulls while they're still young. Very unsuccessful, so we're going to try again this Saturday, and hopefully it is a success. Pero kung mau malak ka mamakuling wala po admire kung ka may suo mingi mapopoy for faalifu. All right, now we're going to get some taro. Get some taro, guys. Rain's coming in. Gotta hurry up. Alright guys, so we're finally at home now. It's pouring at the moment, so I'm going to get started as soon as possible. We need to cut up the mamoe, then we need to do the saka, valu the kalo, and also the coconut cream. So quite a lot to do at the moment. Hopefully we can get it all done soon. But yeah guys, we're going to get started now. First on the mamoe. Right, so the mamoe is just defrosting under the tap, but we'll quickly prep the taro now so that we can begin scraping them. The reason why I brewed it as a whole, because I want to keep the tiapulas. See the tiapula there from previous taros I've harvested? I want to keep them so that we can continue planting in and around the house, so that we can have a steady supply here as well. So I usually plant these at the end of the week around the house as well. All right. I think everything's now on the fire, just waiting for the sucker to be ready, and then we'll pour out the water and add in the coconut cream. But the mamoe is on its way. Very tired now. I'm really exhausted. I think I can see why people, when it's time to enjoy their pay, just order takeaway or just go eat at McDonald's. This is too much. Too much. Gonna go grab some laupele. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode today. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Oh, I sort of enjoyed it. But it's okay. Remember guys, get your pay, enjoy it, okay? But I enjoy it, you know? I enjoy my kumarai. But anyway, enough talk, let's show you guys the results. Alright. So there is our supo mamoe. It's very simple, just water and salt, and then the pumpkin from the plantation, laupele from next to the house. We've got our faalifu kalo, and the pepe is very nice, very beautiful, very pepe, very juicy, very great. So yeah guys, that's not a bad plate, eh? So now I'm going to enjoy it with the family guys. I hope you enjoyed today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys, share our channel. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.